Alright, welcome back to the next video. So, managerial styles. In this slide, we will discuss either you as the head of department would like to be just a manager in which you will do all the managerial duties, you will do all the managerial jobs and make the things done, or you will be a good leader to everyone. So number one, you have to evaluate yourself. Either you want to drive employees or to coach them. What is driving employees? Driving employees means you will bring them and show them where is the destination. I want to go there, or what I want. But coach them means you will train and make them coach means you will train them and make sure they will get this, they will understand and get the things done properly so that they can go to the destination. So that is coaching, different from driving. Driving means showing where. Number two, you take credit or you give credit. What is taking credit? Yeah, everyone is doing job for the department, but you take the credit as the boss. Or you will give credit. Give credit means you will give the credit, you will praise them, you will recognize and appreciate them for their effort. Yeah, some boss, they will just take credit for the good jobs people done, but some other bosses, they will share the credits and actually always motivate and recognize people for their good job. That is giving credits. Number three is to be concerned with things or with people. Yeah. You will evaluate either you are on the operational things, you want to make sure operations are successful, or you are concerned with people that are under you. Guys, when you are too concerned about the productivity, about the cost and so on, but you fail to actually understand your employees, what are their problems, at the end of the day, these problems, these people with problems will create another problems to the operation. So it is good that you balance. You are concerned with the things, means the operation, and you also concerned with people need. Number four, to tell employees to be at work on time or to be at work ahead of time personally. So what is number four? To tell employees to be at work on time or to be at work ahead of time personally. So sometimes when you are good with employees, when you have the close relationship with the employees, you can even influence them to do good things to the company. Instead of they are coming on time, you can talk to them personally, like why don't you come ahead of time, means before the working time, so that they can be prepared, they can have breakfast and ready for the work. So you talk to them personally, why don't you come ahead of time? Guys, why they call it personally? Because when you have the personal relationship, when you have the good relationship, you'll be able to talk personally and influence people to do good things. Number five, to think I or to think we. Yeah, many bosses, they will say that I have put this, I have made this, I have planned for this. But a good leader will say that we should what? We should do what? How we can improve. They will take the whole team as responsible, to be responsible for the operation. Number six, to inspire fear or enthusiasm. Guys, sometimes certain leaders will threaten people to make them working. For example, if you are not doing job properly, or if you are not performing well, I will cut your salary or whatever, I will give you disciplinary letter and so on. but sometimes certain leaders will make people perform better by increasing their enthusiasm or spirit to work. Guys, when you are sensitive to their needs, when you show your empathy, means you really understand their situation, you try to adjust the schedule. If they have problem with the financial, you give them overtime job and so on, they will feel like you really concerned and they become motivated and enthusiastic for work. Number 7, to see today or to look at tomorrow. Guys, when you see today, you only want to get the things done today. But if you are looking for tomorrow, you will build a relationship with everyone so that you will get better results at the end of the day. Number 8, to know how the job is done and to show employee how to do the job. So which one are you? You want to know how the job is done, or you want to show the employee how to do the job? Yes, sometimes employees, they can simply do the job like how they want, but the quality of standard will not be met. But you can always spare some time, show the employees how to do the job properly and how to achieve the standard quality. Number 9, to depend on authority or goodwill. What is authority? Power. Do you want to depend on your power to make sure people work, or you are using your goodwill? Goodwill means what? The empathy, the understanding, relationship that you build with them to make them comfortable in work. That is goodwill. That is a good leader will do. Next, to work hard to produce or work hard to help employee produce. Next is to let employees know where you stand or where they stand. Guys, sometimes managers will only talk about what they feel and they don't know how other people feel. They just say what is their problem, the leaders, but they are not really want to understand what are people having problem with. So you want to know you want to make people know your stand or people's stand. Guys, this is also refers to sometimes you want to know you want employees to know what is your decision or what other people thinks about your decision. So a good leader, we said just now, should be democratic, in which everyone should make their stand, everyone should make their needs voice out and so on, so that you will make good decision. Next, number 12, to never have enough time or to make times for things that matters. Number 13 is to say go or let us go. It means that why don't I show you. Number 14, to fix blame for breakdowns or to show how to fix breakdown. So you can always blame people for any problems, or you will show on how to settle the problem. Number 15, to use employees or to develop the employees. Okay, use employees means you just need them for the work and not really thinking about how to they can develop in their career. You don't really care, even they have worked really hard, what else they can improve or develop. Next is to command or to ask. What is command? Command means giving instruction. To ask means to get opinion or to ask for help. Development of others, developing executive housekeepers, training and evaluating supervisors and managers. Guys, this is development. Development means you are trying to develop careers among your supervisors or among your employees. You should have what they call as ID program, individual development program, in which employees identified for advancement in career become responsible for their department at a pace suitable for learning. So people will be guided if they are identified as someone who need to be advanced in the career. They will be guided for development.